how to download Adobe Photoshop for free on PC and Mac. I'm going to show you how to get the legal version of Photoshop on your PC or Mac with the free trial. Photoshop is the world's best imaging and graphic design software that you can get your hands on today. It covers everything from photo editing to compositing, digital painting, animation, and graphic design. And now you can harness the power of Photoshop right now. To get started, click the link in the description down below. This will take you to officialadobe.com website. Head to the top left and find Creativity and Design, and under the Featured Product section, select Photoshop. Once you are on the Photoshop page, select Free Trial. Now you have two choices. There's the Photoshop Only plan and the Creative Cloud All Apps plan. We like the Creative Cloud All Apps plan because we get access to all the programs Adobe has, like Premiere Pro, Illustrator, and Adobe Audition. Let's choose this option. Then we're going to pick a subscription. You can choose annual, paid, monthly, annual, prepaid, or monthly. We prefer the monthly option, but if you would like to go for annual, paid, monthly, which is a little bit cheaper, you can go with the annual plan and pay a cheaper monthly fee. Just be aware that fees apply if you cancel after your 14 days. Once you've decided on your payment option, click on the blue Continue button. Now, the most important thing is to check that your due now is in fact $0, so you are getting access to the free trial. Adobe also offers a 7-day free trial of Adobe Stock. If you would like access to this, you can select and add it here and double check the date that your free trial ends, so you know if you want to cancel before your free trial is up. Then click on the blue Continue button. In step 2 of 3, we're going to enter our email address that we're going to use for our Adobe account. And then in step 3 of 3, we're going to enter our payment information to complete creating our Adobe account. Once you've done all of this, you can click on the second link in the description. This is going to allow you to download the Creative Cloud app, where you will get access to Photoshop and all the other apps that you chose in your options. If you have any questions about how to download Adobe Photoshop on your PC or your Mac, let us know in the comments section down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.